Welcome viewers. In this video I am going to show you how to make a checklist with such type of buttons where you press checkbox. For example, if I have completed this task and when I check it, so you see the line on the task that is related to that. Now if I check this one, so there is a line check. So you can use this for checklists, and here you will see remaining tasks which are listed here. For example, if I have done nothing, so all the tasks are listed here. This is for the remaining task. When I check this one, done, so that is removed from the remaining task. When I check this one, that is also removed. When I check this one, so that is also removed. When I check this one, so it says all done. So you can develop such type of checklist for yourself to manage your work easily. How you can create such type of checklists with check boxes where you can check and you can have a result that you can keep it in another sheet also, and this one and another one. You will have a lot of tasks, so you can use this checkbox template and all these formats and formulas to make it attractive and which also give you some meaningful information. For example, this is done, so there is a line that this task is already done. So how we can create this? Let's see. First of all, you need these two columns, task and status. And here mention all your tasks that you are going to do. Now in the status column, I need a checkbox. So for that, you need to have this developer tab on. If this developer tab is not on, so you can go to file, here to the options, in the options customize ribbon. Now here when you click this customize ribbon, so you will see here a developer tab. This is tick now because I have already added it. So you just need to tick this checkbox for the developer tab and you press OK. So here you will see this developer tab. Now in this developer tab, here is this insert. In this insert, I am going to take this checkbox. See checkbox form control. Click and drag it here. You can increase the size of the rows so that it's fitted there. Now you can see we have a checkbox here. When you right click, so it is selected, you can adjust its size, and in this checkbox the text is checkbox 5, so I will just change it to done. Click this cell and drag it below, so you will see that same checkbox in all the cells. Now when you check this checkbox, when you tick this checkbox, so it means true, and when it is not checked, so it means it's false. So you have these two type of information available here. Now right click this checkbox, go to format control. Here in the format control, cell link, it asks for a cell link. So the same cell you can link, or you can add here another cell also. For example, if I click this cell, okay, so whenever this task is done, so it would show here true, and when it's not done, so it will show false. You want that, no, I do not want an extra column, I want it to be placed here. So right click, go to format control, and instead of D19, make it C19. You see, C19, and okay, remove this. Now when you tick, so here you see that true, so here you see that true and false text also. So you just need to go to this cell and make the font color white so that the true and false is not visible. So that is white now. Now the problem here is that now you need to link the cell to this one also and to this one also. You cannot just drag it. So you will have to go to form control on each checkbox, and here the cell link that was C19, now it's C20. So here you will need to add these cells to each one separately. Format control, cell value, this cell. Okay, right click, format control, cell value, this cell. Okay. Now you have those true and false. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to select these cells and make the font color white so that these true and false are not visible. So far we have done it to the checkbox. You see here you have those checkbox. Now if you want that when I click this, so this text should be with a line that it is this is completed. So for that, the simple thing here we have two values in these cells, true and false. Select these tasks, go to conditional formatting, new rule. Here we will use a formula. Format values where this formula is true. When this formula is true, so format values here. Where this formula is true, here in this cell. When the formula is true, so check mark it. Now it cannot drag it below. So what you have to do, you have to remove this dollar sign from the cell. Keep the dollar sign on the column, but remove the dollar sign from the cell. The first dollar is for the column to lock it, the column, and then the next one is for the cell to be locked. So the column I want to be locked, but the cell I do not want. So I removed that dollar. Now go to format and say strike through. Or you can add any other color or any other fill for the border, whatever option you want. So okay. Now when I click this, so you see there is a line. See here is a line now, and I click to this, there is a strike. Now if you want that here it should give me the pending task information also, yeah, the remaining task information also. So for that you have to use filter formula. Simply is equal to filter small bracket array. What is the array? This is the array. I want these information here. Include what? Include this cell, the true false cells. If filter these, the first range, the array, include what? These cells if they are equal to, sorry, false. If they are not completed, close the bracket and enter. So here you see all those tasks are here listed. Now if I check this one, so you won't see that task. You see no task is there. You see only one task is there. Click. So here you see this error because all are completed. So here you can add another function. Here after the false, use a comma. If empty, so in the inverted comma say all done. Inverted commas close and enter. So now when there is a remaining task, that will be listed. If that is completed, it will be removed. And when all are completed, so it will say all done. So in this way you can use this checkbox option in Microsoft Excel. If you visit my channel, if you want to learn Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Access, MS Word and Mail Merge, then other tricks of the Microsoft Excel and other softwares, these other playlists of learning online data collection, KOBO, MS Form, Google Form for collecting online data, data analytics, project management series is there is a playlist for MS Excel, beginners also, Windows, and all these playlists, single playlists are also available. So you can benefit from all these sessions which are free of cost, and you just open it and watch them and learn and improve your productivity. There are these beautifully designed PowerPoint presentations, how to make these PowerPoint presentation, and every video has a detailed step-by-step tutorial. So visit my channel, subscribe, like and share and comment. Learn and improve your productivity. Thank you.